Good morning, dear students. Last class we are discussed about what is the meaning of polynomial or what are the types of polynomial and how to represent the zero of the polynomial in graph sheets. In this class we are going to learn the new concept relations between zeros of coefficient of a polynomial. First we should discuss there are two formulas. The first formula is sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is equal to sum of zeros formula, children. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to, see children, minus coefficient of x square, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. See children, minus coefficient of x square, so x divided by coefficient of x square. In general, children, general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, children. See, sum of zeros formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus, right hand it is coefficient of x. Coefficient of x means b. Coefficient of x means b minus b by coefficient of x square means x square coefficient is a, no, minus b by a. This is a formula to find the sum of zeros. Sum of zeros formula, children, minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. X coefficient is b, no, that's why you should write minus b divided by coefficient of x square. X square coefficient is a, no, that's why divided by a. This is the formula to find the sum of zeros of the polynomial. Next, product of polynomials. Product of polynomial. Product of polynomial, children, constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square. See children, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, no, this is variable term, this also variable. This c is a constant term. Constant term means c. See, alpha into beta. Product means this, sum means alpha plus beta. Product means alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to constant term. Constant term means c. C by coefficient of x square. X square coefficient is a, no, c by a. Using these two formulas, we can solve the problems. Once again, children, the sum of the roots formula is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. The product of the roots formula is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Using these two formulas, we can solve the problems, children. Okay, now going to solve how to solve using these two formulas. How to solve the problems using these two formulas. Going to solve example second problem, children. See, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify that relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. First you should find the zeros of the polynomial of x square plus 7x plus 10. Using any one method, you should find the solutions, children. Any one method, computing the square method or formula method or factorization method. Now, when you multiply first term and last term, you will get 10x square. 10x square. When you add same number, you will get 7x. Which are the two numbers, children? 5x and 2x. See children, plus into plus, plus 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square. 5x plus 2x, 7x. So split, children, this is a quadratic equation. find the solutions. X square write as it is. You should split middle term. 7x is written as 5x plus 2x. 5x plus 2x. Last term write as it is. First term and last term write as it is. The middle term is split into two terms. Now group two terms each. Find the common factor. Which is the common factor in these first two terms? X is the common factor. Remaining x plus 5. Take common factor for these two terms. 2 is the common factor, children. See, 2 into x, this is 2 into 5. 2 is the common factor. Now split, children. 2 take outside. Remaining x plus 5. Now x plus 5 take outside. X plus 5 take outside. Remaining x plus 2. You will get two solutions, children. First one is x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 5 going to LHS or HS. This will become minus 5. Second one, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2 going LHS to RHS. This will become minus 2. Any doubt regarding this one, children? We will get two answers, minus 5 and minus 2. Now, children, verify your answer, correct or not. See, sum of the roots. Formula is a form of, see children, x square plus 7x plus 10. This is a form of ax square plus bx plus c. Value of a is 1. Value of b is 7. Value of c is 10. Now find the sum of the roots. What is the formula to find the sum of the roots? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now substitute the children's value. Substitute the values. Minus 7 by 1. Minus 7 by 1 means minus 7. See children, minus 7. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Next, find the product of the roots. Product of the zeros, children. Product of the zeros, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is the value of c? 10. 10 by 1. 10 by 1. 10 by 1 value is 10. The sum of the roots is minus 7. The product of the roots is 10. The roots of the solutions is minus 5 and minus 2, children. Any doubt regarding this one? Okay. Now verify your answer, correct or not. See children, when you add these two numbers, you will get minus 7. See, check it. Minus 5 plus minus 2. Both also minus sign, no? That's why you should add minus 7. See, the sum of the roots is minus 7. In both case, answer is minus 7 only. So your answer is correct. Next, product of the roots should multiply these two values. These two values means minus 5 into minus 2. Minus 5 into minus 2. We will get minus into minus plus 5 to the 10. See children, this also 10. Alpha into beta value is 10. Your answer is correct. So verified. Any doubt regarding this one, children? First, we will get using the quadratic, using the factorization method. You should find the quadratic equation, children. You will get x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 2 are the solutions of the equations. Next, x square plus 7x plus 10 in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Should find the ABC value. ABC are the three real numbers, no? A value is 1, B value is 7, C value is 10. Now find the alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Sum of the roots minus b by a formula. Minus 7 by 1. Minus 7 by 1 value is minus 7. And product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C by a means 10 by 1. 10 by 1 value is 10. Next, verify your answer, correct or not. See, when you add two values will get minus 7. Answer is correct. Why? Because in sum of the zeros is minus 7. This minus 5 plus minus 2 value is also minus 7. Next, find the product of the roots. Minus 5 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 5 to the 10. In alpha into beta value also 10. So your answer is correct, children. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubts. Okay. Next, going to example 3 problems, children. Going to solve example 3rd problem, children. See, first you should read the questions carefully. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3, x square minus 3 and verify the relationship between the zeros of the coefficient. See children, x square minus 3. To find the solution, children, x square minus 3. This is a quadratic equations. Why? Because highest power of the degree 2 knows. Find the solutions. In quadratic equations, you will get two solutions. See children, x square minus 3 is in the form of x square into root 3 whole square. This is a form of a square minus b square. What is the expression form of a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is the expansion form of a square minus b square, children. See once again, children, this is a question. X square minus 3 should find the solution. X square right as it is, minus right as it is, 3 is written as root 3 whole square. This is a form of a square minus b square. This is a, this one is b. What is the expansion form of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Now expand, children. X plus b, x plus root 3 into x minus root 3. See, expand x square minus root 3 whole square, children. This is a form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b means x plus root 3 into x minus root 3. We will get answer, children. Now x plus root 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus root 3 going LHS to RHS. This will become minus root 3. This is one solution, children. Find another one solution. X minus root 3 is equal to 0. X minus root 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus root 3 going LHS to RHS. This will become plus root 3. Any doubt regarding this one, children? First one is minus root 3. Second one is plus root 3. Now verify your answer. Verify your answer. See children, x square minus 3. The general form of quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or ax square plus bx plus c. Next, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1. In this case, a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, no, that's why. Value of b is 0. Value of c is 3. Value of c is minus 3. Minus 3, children. Now, alpha plus beta, you find the sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta formula minus b by a. Minus b by a value is minus 0 by 1. 0 by 1 value is 0. Next you should find the alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is the value of c? Minus 3. Minus 3 by 1. Minus 3 by 1 value is minus 3 only. Now verify your answer. When you add these two values, we will get 0. Minus root 3 plus root 3 value is how much, children? Plus root 3 minus root 3 value is 0. Sum of the roots also 0. Your answer is correct. Next, product of the roots. Minus root 3 into plus root 3. Minus root 3 into plus root 3. See children, minus into plus minus. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 value is root 9. Root 9 value again 3. Product of the root 6 minus 3. See children, alpha into beta value also minus 3. Your answer is correct. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubts. Okay. Next, going to solve example 4 problems. Find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are minus 3 and 2 respectively. Should find the quadratic polynomial. Already sum also given, product also given, children. See, what is the sum, children? Minus 3. Sum is minus 3. Sum of the zeros is minus 3. Product of the zeros is given. Product is 2. Should form a quadratic equation. How to form quadratic equations when you given sum and product? See, what is the formula to find the sum, children? Alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros formula, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. already the value is given minus 3. In denominator any value is not there, 1. 1 is there, you should consider. Any value is not there, you should consider 1 0. Next, product of the roots formula alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Already value is given 2 by 1. Denominator value is not there, you should consider 1. Now, what is the value of a? What is the value of a, children? 1, no, right? 1. What is the value of b? B value is 3. Minus is both sides is there. B value is 3. A value is 1. C value is 2. What is the value of c? C is equal to 2. What is the general form of quadratic equations? What is the general form of quadratic equation, children? Very good. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic equations. Ax square plus bx plus c. Now substitute the value. What is the value of a? 1. 1x square. Bx means what is the value of b? 3. 3 into x, 3x. Next plus what is the value of c? C is equal to 2. The quadratic equation, the given quadratic equation is x square plus 3x plus 2. This is the required solutions. This is the required solution. Once again, children, in these questions, product of the roots and sum of the roots is given. Product of the zeros is 2, sum of the roots is minus 3. See how to form quadratic equations when sum is given, when product is given. First, what is the formula to find the sum of the zeros? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Already product is given minus 3. Minus 3 by a denominator any value is not there. Consider 1. Value of a is 1. Value of b is 3. Any doubt regarding this one? Okay. Next, product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to c by a. In denominator any value is not there, should consider 1. Product is given already 2 by 1. Value of a is 1. Value of b is 3. Value of c is 2. The general form of quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now substitute the value. A is equal to 1. That's why x square plus b is equal to 3. 3x plus c value is 2 is equal to 0. The general form, the required solutions is x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Any doubt regarding this one? Okay, thank you.